Hello everyone, welcome to Dewi Reza channel. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to repotting Gymnocalyciumvariegata. The first thing you need to do is to remove the cactus from the pot. And after that, you can remove the soil from the roots. You need to choose the pot that's suitable for your cactus before planting it in the soil. And please use a new soil every time you're repotting your plants. Last but not least, you need to put any kind of rock or pebble stone on top of the soil. In addition to covering the soil, topping also prevents weed from growing. It also helps us to estimate the condition of the soil, whether it's dry or still moist. Gentle reminder for a beginner, no watering for a week to let the roots adjust in the new soil. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Goodbye!